Experience app crashes on your iPhone after you install iOS 26? Fix them with these reliable steps. First, acknowledge that you run a developer beta and expect instability. If your apps crash only occasionally, wait for Apple's next beta release. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, then install the newest build to receive critical bug fixes. Next, update your apps for compatibility. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, scroll to Available Updates, and tap Update All, or update individual apps that crash most often. Then, clear any temporary glitches by restarting your iPhone. Hold the volume button and the side button together until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, then press the side button again to power on. If crashes persist in a specific app, offload and reinstall it. Open Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, select the misbehaving app, tap Offload App, then tap Reinstall App to preserve your data while replacing the app binary. If these tips solve your problem, tap like, share which step worked for you in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Apple solutions.